Hey, howdy, hey, I'm really tired, but, this is a quick little video because my friend told me about this thing called Blizzard, an NPC, and apparently, if you ask it to make it Blizzard, it actually blizzards. I have the menu right here. I genuinely don't believe this is gonna work. So, Blizzard, if you're here, can you make it Blizzard? I have my audio on and everything, like I said I should do. And crickets chirp. Nothing's going on. I'm gonna ask it again, and the whole thing tagged. Capitalize the B there. I'll even add pretty, please. Yeah, I think it was either pure timing or someone used a command because nothing's going on. It's not doing Jack's Headley Squad. Ignore the Blink cosplay. I expected it to kind of work. But also, I did not expect anything else. It's just not gonna work. I think it was just a timing thing, since the weather can be whatever now. What if I just put it in twice? Okay. I'm just gonna type in happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy. And then I'll put it in again. Is that a rabbit? Hold on. Yeah, this doesn't work. Oh well. That was fun. Just doesn't work. That's my conclusion. Blizzard is not a real NPC. Joyous day. No, I'll give one more try. One last try, you frozen fool. Spawn in! Please. Well, that was fun. I guess that concludes that. Blizzard isn't real. Because boy did I hit that a lot. Do I have to go to a different territory? I want to believe this works. Blizzard, if you're here, can you make a blizzard? See what's not happening. River. Blizzard, if you're here, can you make it blizzard? No? Screw you too. Underground. I'm at the funny. Firestar likes waffles now. You know, why is everything tagging? Scallop. If you're here, can you make it? Okay, yeah, I give up. This is debunked. Blizzard is not real. Thanks for watching, I guess. Bye. Happy birthday, Happy!